Every second of your life, your heart works tirelessly to keep you alive. It pumps oxygen-rich blood throughout your body, delivering life to every organ and every cell. But what happens when that blood flow is reduced? Let's take an incredible journey inside the human body. Your heart depends on small blood vessels called coronary arteries to supply it with oxygen. Over many years, fatty deposits can slowly collect inside these arteries. At first, blood continues to flow normally, and you may feel completely healthy. As time passes, the space inside the artery becomes narrower. Blood has less room to travel, meaning less oxygen reaches part of the heart. Even then, the heart continues working tirelessly, beating thousands of times each day. When blood flow becomes severely reduced, the heart begins sending signals through the body's nervous system. These signals may be felt as pressure or discomfort in the chest, or as unusual sensations in the arm, shoulder, neck, jaw, or back. Every person is different, and some warning signs can be subtle. The heart's electrical system continues coordinating every beat while the body responds to the reduced blood supply. This is why recognizing warning signs and seeking immediate medical care is so important. Every minute counts when protecting the heart. Modern medicine can restore healthy blood flow and help protect the heart. The sooner treatment begins, the better the opportunity for recovery and long-term heart health. Recovery doesn't end there. Healthy habits such as regular exercise, eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, avoiding tobacco, and managing blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar all help keep your heart strong. Your heart has been working for you every second of your life. Listen to your body. Never ignore unusual warning signs, and take care of this incredible organ that never takes a day off. Your heart beats thousands of times every day, working constantly to keep you alive. Protect it, pay attention to its warning signs, and never take a single heartbeat for granted. If you enjoyed this journey inside the human body, like this video, subscribe to BodySecret, and turn on notifications for more fascinating medical documentaries. Share this video with someone you care about, because the right knowledge at the right moment could help save a life. Avoiding tobacco, limiting excessive alcohol, maintaining a healthy weight, and managing conditions such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and high cholesterol are all important steps toward protecting your heart for years to come. Even small lifestyle changes, practiced consistently, can have a lasting impact on long-term heart health. Perhaps the greatest lesson is learning to listen to your body. It often communicates through subtle changes long before a serious problem develops. Paying attention to these signals, attending regular health checkups, and seeking professional medical advice whenever something doesn't feel right can make a meaningful difference. Your heart is one of the hardest working organs in your body. From your very first heartbeat before birth to every moment of your life, it works continuously, asking for very little in return.